Hi, I'm Sam. It's 2021. Where the is my hoverboard? Let's make! Back to the Future promised a hoverboard by 2015. It's now 2021. Where is my hoverboard? To prove that this is something that has absolutely no reason not to exist in 2021, I'm going to build a hoverboard completely out of trash. If this is the type of content that you're interested in, please scroll down, press that subscribe button, ring that little bell icon. I upload a new video every Monday at noon, and I'd love to see you there. Let's get right into this.
To make this hoverboard, I'm using the blower motors that came out of mine and my wife's car, and an old Boogie board, as well as trash bags. So I am literally making this hoverboard out of trash. The first thing I needed to do was to cut a hole in the board so I could fit my blower motor, because it didn't have an external mount for it. Since this blower motor did not have an external mount, I had to make my own by using this metal bar. After placing the metal bar on top, I heated up a screwdriver. Since the board is made out of styrofoam, I was able to just punch it straight through the board. In order to power the blower motors, I had to make sure that I could hook it up to my batteries. So I soldered on the connection to the blower motor itself. As you can see, the first test is actually pretty loud, and this is what that blower motor sounded like while it was in my car. Here I decided to make a skull piercer, which I would use to pierce my enemies' skulls. But I also found out that it works perfectly well to puncture holes into the trash bag that I'm using as my inflatable.
First time turning it on. Got battery. Okay, so it's sucking it in, which I think just means I need to reverse the polarity. And then we should be good. So let me do that really quick. Guess not. I'm gonna figure this out and I'll get right back to you. So I'm an idiot. Turns out that these blower motors suck air in through this portion and then blow it out this way. So I need to find a way to keep this bottom portion exposed. Okay, so simple solution is air inlet from there, goes into a T connector, which goes out to two PVC pipes, which then angle and go directly over both of them. This should ensure that the air comes from outside of the board and doesn't suck in the bag. So let's get this all set up again and we will see you over there. Okay, so I revamped the entire design. Now they're coming out of the top. I have these little dome styrofoam things that are gonna fit over it. And then the air is going to funnel out of here through here. Same thing, this one's already taped down, but it's gonna flow out of here, through here, and into the inflatable underneath. So I'm going to wrap that up and I will get back to you as soon as that's done. I am super happy with how this came out. It looks amazing and definitely looks science fiction-y. That's enough talking, let's go try it out. Okay, so this is incredibly loud, which I should have known because this one actually came out of my car and it was making the same exact noises then, but it also smells like burning styrofoam and shattered dreams. So I thankfully have a backup for this, so let me go grab that and we can finally test this out. High-powered air blower. Okay, so now we are going to plug this in, which takes care of the back. Shove this into the top of this little hole. Popped a hole. Got to see where that blew, right here. Also, while attempting to stand on it right there, I realized just how hard it is to actually balance on this, which is something I didn't think through. So I'm going to try doing this while sitting. Don't sit on the battery. And as you can see, it is a hoverboard. So it kind of works. I'll see you back at the bench for the wrap up. So as you can see, it kind of worked. I had a point of failure here, but I don't really know what I was expecting when I decided to make a hoverboard out of literal trash. I can kind of see why maybe hoverboard, you know what? No, I can't see why hoverboards don't exist. I'm an idiot and I was able to build something that kind of worked. There is no reason why we shouldn't have actual hoverboards by now. If this is the type of content that you're interested in, why don't you scroll down, press that subscribe button, ring that little bell icon, and give me a thumbs up. While you're down there, let me know if you want to see me try and attempt to build an actual hovercraft using materials that aren't trash. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.